All right, so um, let me see if I can log into Infusionsoft. Okay, so here's what I need you to do for the login, because right now we have to log in with the email and the password. And to be honest with you, that's a huge inconvenience because the password is weird, and people are not going to remember that. So what I need you to do for the update, let me come back. For the updated apps for Apple and Android, we need to change the way they log in. Okay, so the login is going to be the email and the ID, the Infusionsoft ID. Okay, so that will be the password. So we can probably change it to ID. We can say email and ID on the form. Oh, excuse me. Or license ID or something. I don't know. Whatever it says on the site, you can say the same thing. But that's how we need to log in. So you will be able to see the IDs here in this section. So this ID for me is 56487. So the subscription verification still works the same. It's gonna check to see if it has these tags, UOP trade signals. If it don't have the tag, obviously it's not gonna allow them to log in. Okay, so all that is the same. The difference is, instead of us logging in with the password that Infusionsoft creates, we're gonna log in with the ID that it gives. So this way it'll be easier for people, for the customers, to remember what their login is, because right now, as the app is, they can't change their password, and you know what I mean, which is fine. Um, so that we'll be able to validate. So this is still keep it easier for us to be able to validate the license, because we're checking the email and the ID to make sure that it has the appropriate tags for licensing. So any update, like I said, change the password field. Instead of them putting in the password to log into the mobile app, they're just going to log in with their email and ID. Okay, that's it. Then once they do that, it's going to check to validate to make sure they have the appropriate tags, etc. Also, the login log out feature, I know the app automatically times out every 3 days or so. Can you change that to every 7 days? So every 7 days, app log out. So they have to log in, then we have to revalidate to check to make sure they are still active.